Hi, welcome to CoraZen Meditation. Today we bring you a video with a powerful visualization practice to enhance your imagination. To make this exercise impactful and effective, you need to set your intention by being convinced that you already did it. The more intense your intention, the greater the impact on your life. But before starting or after finishing, go to our introduction video to see all the resources we can offer you that will change your journey forever. Visualization, also known as the power of visualization, is a technique that has been used for a long time and has been incorporated into different cultures and philosophies throughout history. It's been extensively studied in the field of psychology and personal development. Visualization is used in meditation and is based on the idea that our thoughts and emotions create our daily lives. By visualizing positive and relaxing images or situations, we can improve our mood and release accumulated tensions. It is highly effective in helping to attract desired realities. Visualization works by connecting our mind and body. When we visualize a positive image or situation, our mind sends signals to our body to relax. Moreover, visualization activates specific areas of the brain responsible for emotions and sensations, which will help you perceive signals that you are on the right track. Let's get started with a practical exercise. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Close your eyes and take a few minutes to relax. Adopt a comfortable posture without tension and concentrate on this practice. Take a few deep and slow breaths, inhaling through your nose, holding for a few seconds, and exhaling through your mouth. Repeat this several times and find your own rhythm. Pay attention to your breath. Breathing is a refuge for when thoughts keep coming and you feel overwhelmed. As you breathe consciously, you will notice that you are becoming more and more relaxed, starting from your toes, your legs, your hips, feeling the contact of your weight with the surface on which you are sitting or laying. Your relaxed back, allowing only the necessary tension to keep it straight. your abdomen, your chest rising with each inhalation, your ribs expanding and relaxing as you exhale, your arms more and more relaxed, your hands and fingers, your neck, your jaw, your face. Now bring your attention to your right or left hand. Can you feel its temperature? Is it warm, cool? Do you feel the contact of the air around it? Explore every detail with curiosity, without judgment. And now imagine that you are holding a blue pen with the opposite hand. Draw the outline of your hand and fingers. If you get distracted at any point, it's okay. Come back to feeling how the air enters and leaves your nose with each breath, like waves of the sea coming in and out from the shore. Let's start the journey on your pinky finger. Feel the pen as it moves towards the end. Apply a slight pressure on the outer part of the nail and continue downwards, reaching the curvature where it joins your ring finger. Stop there and apply a slight pressure. Continue with your journey. Reach the end of the ring finger and repeat a small pressure on the nail. And continue downwards, reaching the curvature where it joins your middle finger. Stop there and apply slight pressure. And continue with your journey, going up, reaching the end of the middle finger, and repeat a small pressure. And continue downwards, reaching the curvature where it joins your index finger. Stop there and apply a slight pressure. And go on, going up to the end of the index finger and repeat a small pressure on the nail. Continue downwards, reaching the curvature where it joins your thumb. Stop there and apply pressure again. We are reaching the end of the silhouette. Feel the pen and continue with your journey, reach the end of the thumb and repeat a small pressure on the nail. And continue downwards towards your wrist to complete the entire silhouette of your hand. Now remove the pen and lift your hand. Can you see the silhouette you draw? The most important thing is that you feel joy for having accomplished this. Feel proud, feel peace. Enjoy the moment. Draw a smile if you want. Remember, this visualization is a technique that can be adapted to your needs. This exercise can help calm your mind, improve your concentration, and make your desire a reality. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can modify the script to better suit you. Slowly move your fingers and toes and open your eyes. Take a moment to adjust to your surroundings before continuing with your daily activities. If you like it and want, you can do this same practice with your opposite hand. Dare to dream big.